Hi, I'm Charlie Kasov. I'm a math teacher, and today we're going to learn how to measure chords in a circle. Now, chord is any line you can draw from one end of a circle to another. The longest chord in a circle is called the diameter because that's the longest line. Now, here is a circle. Now, the way to find any chord, it doesn't matter what chord you draw, is, let's say we have this chord, you need to know the length of the radius of the circle, and that's the distance from the center all the way to one end, and you need to know the central angle that the chord forms. So here is a radius, and here is a radius. So you have, let's say that the radius is 4. Now again, we would need to know what the radius is. So if it's 5, you use 5. If it's 6, you use 6. Now we also need to know the central angle. The central angle is this angle. It's the angle formed by two radii that connect to each end of the chord. So let's say that this angle is 60. Now with this one, we do know that if this is 60, this angle has to equal this angle, so they would all be 60, and then this would just be equilateral, so 4, 4, and 4. But if it's not equilateral, you would need to use a formula. And the formula that we use is 2r times sine of the angle, we'll call this the central angle, over 2. So what we do first is we call this 60 over 2, which is just 30. And we say sine of 30, which equals 0.5. And then we have the 2r, which is just 8. So we're ultimately saying 8 times 0.5, which is going to equal 4. So again, to find the measure of any chord in a circle, you need the radii and the central angle, and then you multiply 2 times the radius times the sine of the central angle divided by 2. I'm Charlie Kasov. Thanks a lot.